Welcome back to a brand new video of the Targeted Individual Program, Targeted Individual Experience. One of the things I talk about is silent sound spread spectrum, right? How they use that technology, which is based on the microwave radio wave frequency spectrum, pulse modulated radio wave microwave frequency for mind control. Now, I was watching Ultimate Playback scenes, and the first one was Equalizer. The Equalizer does in Washington. This is Django Unchained. Now, this particular part here, I'm going to show you guys, unless you guys hear exactly what it is that they do. So I had to pause the video and get back to this part so I can show you guys. All right, the New York Predator Department out there using these sirens, very low volume, so you guys might not be able to hear it, the sirens that they're using. Right, very short. All right, let me tell you guys what they do. I'll let you guys listen. So when I'm watching this, this is what they'll do.
Time to say goodnight to them nuts, Black. On three. One. I got you. Two.
So what you just heard is that right before he took the knife and he said, time to whatever with this nut, right before that, they had family members knocking on the wall. Okay? Now, they can't hear the video I'm looking at. So, how come they're knocking? Now, let's get to the next part.
Calm down now.
Pause that. Let's get to the next part, which is... okay, let's start from here.
In the sweet by and by, oh, y'all gonna be together with Calvin in the by and by. Just a bit sooner than y'all was expecting. Billy Crash.
The white man.
Now where were we? Oh, that's right. Last time I seen you had your hands on my...
All right, now, again, certain things, if I'm watching certain things, listening to certain things, like I was listening to the audiobook on dark psychological manipulation and how to recognize and identify how you're being manipulated. It's called Dark Psychology and Gaslighted Manipulation. How to recognize and unmask the people who use dark powers against you and develop necessary skills to prevent yourself from being manipulated. All right, so when I woke up this morning, before I continue this, but when I woke up this morning, literally no sirens. No sirens except for the use of the car horns. Then I started to play the audiobook because I was playing it when I go to bed. I usually listen to an audiobook. As soon as I started playing it, they start using the sirens. And what that tells me is, again, they don't want most of us to understand what it is that they're doing. And the more we educate ourselves on their tactics and methods, the more we educate ourselves on the advance in certain types of technology, particularly for manipulation and mind control, they don't want us to have those knowledge. All right? Understand what it is that they do. All right, let me continue.
Did
Mr. Django! You black son of a bitch!
D is silent here, baby. Now, all you black folks, I suggest you get away from all these white folks. Not you, Stephen. You right where you belong. Cora, before you go, will you tell Miss Laura goodbye?
Do what now?
I said tell Miss Laura goodbye.
Bye, Miss Laura.
Y'all two run along then.
This part? Okay, so again, just wanted to let you guys see, hear, and understand when I'm watching certain videos, what have you. This is what they will engage in. This is how they will do this subliminal messaging. All right. Okay. Talk to you guys in the next video.